Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at a £5 coin which was dated 2023. It's part of the Icon series and it's the new series, which is the Robin Hood series. When I say new, it is new to the £5 coin as in a normal copper nickel version. The Robin Hood series originally came out in bullion quality, and there's the coin itself. It shows Robin Hood on the bough of a tree with a bow and arrow drawn. I have already covered this as a bullion coin. I'll try and be able to link in my video there. If not, you can go and search it if you want to review it. I do like this coin. However, I do have a problem with the Icon series, as I've said before. They seem to do 2 or 3 coins of that series and then stop what they're doing and go and do another series. There are that many characters missing from the other 2 series, the King Arthur series, which is the other one, big one. There's been no Guinevere, there's been no Lancelot, there's been none of the Knights of the Round Table at all. So there's an awful lot of characters missing from the Myths and Legends series, from the Robin Hood series, which was another series that was first released in bullion. You had Robin Hood, Maid Marian and Little John. There are a lot more characters that are missing. There is a 3rd series planned, even though this is the first coin of the 2nd series to be released in copper nickel. There's another series due, which is the Beowulf, that has been earmarked for release. I don't know whether that's this year or next year. But again, I can imagine them having only 2 or 3 coins in the series and then forgetting all the other characters. It seems such a shame, because it would have been a very good set to have, and it would have been even better if it was perhaps released on a £2 coin rather than £5. Well, I've had my little say. I don't like the fact that this has been released now as a copper nickel as well as a bullion. If they're going to do it, then what they should do is do a complete series, not just part series, because it's really annoying. We don't know whether they're going to revisit these series at all in the future. So after they've done, say, 3 or 4 partial series, they do a continuation of one of the series. It's just so messy not having complete series of coins and only having 3 of them. That's my view anyway, for what it's worth. If you agree with me, put it in the comments, let me know. What do you think of this coin? Have you got it in your set? Are you thinking of buying this coin? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this overview of the coin, please give this video a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel but you believe I deserve it, could you please also do that, as I'm trying to up my numbers again this year, my subscriber level. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, thank you very much for watching to the end, and from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.